Well, this is down here. See all that damage down there. In front of the new building. Over there. Sugar Beach too. All theirs got torn up. A couple of ours did out here. Going right up to the playground. Right there at it. A couple of like waves came in all the way into the playground up there, but and same with the boardwalk, but it came all the way up to it. Got a couple of chairs down there. Got Spinnaker pretty good too. And all the way down there, looks like there's some more damage on the beach down there too. Oh no. The ocean's kind of a little bit more calm right now. See that wave right there? The wind is blowing so hard. It's a pretty big swell over there. People laying in the beach, laying in the sand like that. It's crazy. And there's actually, we'll just call them little hoodlums down here swimming dancing, sorry. All these kids, I would so not be swimming in this. It's still thundering. It's every once in a while, but. Alright, say hey. Play. Say good morning. Alrighty, we'll say happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
Have a blessed day.
Blessed day.
Love you and trust God.
I love you. Just God.
Yeah. Alright.